Baba.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the 411 Mamas. This is Chrissy, and today I'm going to talk to you about spring cleaning, which I don't know about you, but for me is kind of a dreaded topic. I hate thinking about spring cleaning because it can be extremely overwhelming. So today I wanted to give you just 5 things that I do each year just to kind of get my feet wet and motivate me to begin full-on spring cleaning. These things are smaller and kind of fun things to get you started. The first thing that I like to do is go through all of my clothes and donate or give away anything that I haven't actually worn that past year, or things that I just don't like anymore, anything worn out. And now that I have a son, I actually went through his stuff too, packed away anything that I wanted to keep, and then donated anything that I didn't like, thrown out anything that he ruined. So those are 2 simple ways to get you organized and clean out your closet. The second thing is something that I actually just did last night, and I went through all of my makeup, threw out anything that was expired or broken. I cleaned off everything and put it into like a new storage system. Anything that you don't like anymore or you don't find yourself using, you can always give away that stuff too. The next simple thing that you could do, which I recommend doing every year anyway, is to change up the batteries in all of your smoke detectors or your carbon monoxide detectors, and to change the filters, like in your air conditioning or air purifier or in your Brita filters, just to get everything off to a fresh start for the year. The next thing is something that I also just did, and it is to give your dishwasher a nice thorough cleaning. And there's a really easy way to do this without scrubbing. If you have anything like hard and caked on, I guess you might have to scrub that, but just to freshen up your dishwasher, get it smelling nice and sparkling clean, you can take a dishwasher safe cup, put it on the top rack with nothing else in your dishwasher, fill that cup with plain white vinegar and run it through a full cycle on the hottest setting. Once that is run through, you can sprinkle baking soda down in the bottom tub of your dishwasher and then run that through a short cycle. Also, you want to pull the rack out of the bottom of the dishwasher before you even do any of this, and make sure that there is nothing stuck down in the bottom, like little pieces of plastic or old food, anything like that. And if you do just that simple step, your dishwasher will be nice and clean again. The next and final thing that I like to do that really makes me feel like it's a brand new year, a brand new spring season, is to clean out all of my windows. Take a bottle full of plain white vinegar with a little bit of water, spray it on all of your windows, scrub them down on the outside and inside. If you have screens, take the screens out and soak them in soapy water, rinse them out, put them back in. It's a very simple step, and you'll be surprised how much better your windows look, how much cleaner. You didn't even know they were probably dirty in the first place, but trust me, it's a huge difference and just gives you that push to continue on with the rest of the spring cleaning, like the nitty-gritty stuff, scrubbing the bathrooms, dusting, all of that stuff that we don't look forward to. These few things will really help to push you in that direction. They're not hard, they're simple, and they will really make a big difference. So those are my tips for spring cleaning. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you next time. Bye!